What started with just one little plant has quickly turned into a growing obsession. Every plant in my home has its own story. Some make me laugh, one reminds me of someone I love, and every single one is teaching me something new. Today I want you to meet my plant family. Hey everyone, my name is Lolo and I am officially a brand new plant mom. If you love houseplants, enjoy plant shopping, or you're just beginning your own plant journey, you found the right place. This channel is all about learning together. Now, I'm definitely not a plant expert, but I believe every plant has a story and every new leaf teaches us something. So today, I thought the best way to introduce myself was to introduce you to the real stars of this channel, my plant family. First up, this is my Fiddle Leaf Fig, and my mom named him Collard Green. Collard Green has a special story because I actually have my Aunt Janice to thank for bringing him into my life. She spotted these beautiful fiddle leaf figs at a local supermarket and brought 3 of them and surprised me by giving me one of them. The moment I saw those big, beautiful leaves, I knew I had something special. I absolutely love how bold and elegant this plant is. Those oversized glossy leaves make such a statement and instantly brighten up any room. Now, collard green has developed a few brown spots on some of the lower leaves. As a brand new plant mom, I was very concerned, I'm not even gonna lie. But after doing some research, I realized that I might have overwatered it just a bit. And I also realized that little imperfections doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. Plants are living things and they constantly adjust to their environment. So instead of stressing over every brown spot, I'm choosing to enjoy the journey and learn as I go. And I cannot wait to watch green grow into a beautiful statement tree in my home. Now, this plant is probably the most meaningful one in my collection. This is Lori, my Golden Pothos. She isn't just another household plant, she's family. After my Aunt Lori passed away, someone propagated her pothos, and those cuttings were shared with our entire family. Now each of us have a piece of the same original plant growing in our homes. Every time I water Lori or watch a new leaf pop up, I think about my Aunt Lori. It's amazing how something as simple as a plant can carry memories and keep someone close to your heart. Golden Pothos are one of the easiest household plants to grow. Their beautiful heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines make them perfect for beginners. Now, this beauty right here is my Monstera. I've always loved Monsteras because they instantly give your home a tropical jungle vibe. One of the coolest things about Monsteras is that as they mature, they develop natural holes and splits in their leaves. It is still growing, but I can still see some of the slits coming through, which has me so excited. I cannot wait to see those big dramatic leaves begin to appear. And I already know that this plant is going to become one of the stars of my collection. Now, this little beauty right here, this is my Syngonium Confetti. Every time I look at this plant, it just makes me smile. I found this at a corner market with my daughter one day, and its soft green leaves is what attracted me to it. The leaves are sprinkled with this beautiful pink speckles that really do resemble confetti. And one of the reasons why this plant is so popular is because of the gorgeous variation of all the leaves. Each single leaf is unique and no 2 leaves ever look the exact same. Every time a new leaf comes up, it's almost like a surprise gift because you never know how much pink is going to be in that leaf. This is my Jade Plant. He absolutely loves sitting outside and soaking up all this sun and heat. Whenever I take him outdoors on warm sunny days, he just perks right on up. His colorful trailing vines make him one of the most fun plants to watch, and I already know he's going to grow into something amazing. Now this little guy right here, this is my Jade Plant. He is one of the newest members of my plant family. Jade plants symbolize prosperity, luck, longevity, so hopefully he's bringing all of that good energy into my home. This is my Elfstone Echeveria. Just look at those perfectly shaped rosettes. She's tiny compared to everyone else, but she has so much personality. I've always loved succulents because they're delicate, beautiful, and surprisingly resilient. I cannot wait to watch Cutie grow and hopefully produce a lot of little baby offsets. So that's my little plant family. Well, at least for now. Something's telling me I'm going to be adding more and more to this collection, and it's just going to keep growing. I'm so excited to share this journey with all of you. Now, whether you've been collecting plants for years or you're bringing home your very first one, I hope you'll join me as we learn, grow, and build an indoor jungle together. We'll be sharing all the lessons I'm learning along the way, the good and the bad. And if you enjoyed meeting my plant family, I'd love for you to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. And until next time, have a wonderfully blessed day in the Lord. Bye.